Hoover H-Free C300 cordless vacuum cleaner comes with 21.6 volts of lithium-ion cleaning power. It has the ability of being used across all floor surfaces, and with the on-off rotating brush bar will pick up even the most stubborn debris. With ultra maneuverability and lightweight design, H-Free C300 offers a superb cleaning experience. Supplied with a 3.5 meter long stretch hose, extension tube and 3-in-1 tool, it's great for all those above-floor cleaning tasks such as curtain rails or high ceilings. You can even switch to eco mode at the touch of a button to allow for a quieter clean. H-Free C300 will keep running for up to 60 minutes, allowing you to do your entire home in one go. With the elegantly designed LED battery status indicator and removable battery, charging is made easy, so you can use the most convenient power sockets. And when you've finished your clean, H-Free C300 can be compactly stored away with onboard storage for added convenience.